Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to verify your business profile. So now let's get started. You need to first go ahead and open your web browser, and in the new tab, simply search for business.google.com. Now once you're logged in, select the business that you want to verify, and if you just created the profile, you will see a verification required message, or you'll see the option of get verified. Go ahead and tap on that. Google usually offers verification options like postcard, email, phone call, or instant verification if they verified with another Google product before. So go ahead and tap on verify and then follow the on-screen instructions like entering the correct form of your information. And at last, you need to enter the code you received by postcard, phone, or email and then submit it. Once verified, your Google info will be live across Google Search and Maps. So that's it. This is how you can go ahead and verify your Google business profile. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.